Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn differentiation of exponential functions. The rule says the differentiation of e to the power x is e to the power x. The differentiation of a to the power x is a to the power x multiplied by ln of a. So what happens when we have a function of x instead of x? So if we have e to the power fx, the differentiation of that that is e to the power fx. It remains as it is, plus we multiply it with the differentiation of that function. So we just have to multiply it by the differentiation of that function. Okay, what happens when y is equal to a to the power fx? So differentiation or dy by dx is a to the power fx multiplied by ln of a multiplied by the differentiation of that function, where a here is a constant. Let's see some examples. Let's say y is equal to 2 to the power 3x. So here now fx is equal to what? 3x. So this is of the form a. Here a is equal to 2. So this is of the form a to the power fx. So we have here dy by dx is equal to, we can write it as y slash is 2 to the power 3x into ln of 2 into the differentiation of this function, which is 3. So differentiation of 3x is 3. So the answer is, we can write it like this: 3 ln of 2 into 2 to the power 3x. Okay, let's say this one. Y is equal to e to the power root of x. What is the function now here? It is x root of x, or we can say it is x to the power half. Okay, so we can just find out what is the function f. Differentiation of fx is f slash x, which is half of x to the power half minus 1, that is minus half, or it is 1 upon 2 root x. So here differentiation is e to the power root x. Since it is e, so we do not have, ln of e is always 1. Okay, and multiplied by f dash x, which is 2 root x. So it is e to the power root x upon 2 root x. Okay. Let's see what we have here. Y is equal to e to the power ln of x plus 2 to the power, 2 ln of x squared plus 1. How will you do this? So here the differential of y, that is y slash, is equal to e to the power ln x. This remains e to the power ln of x. Now we differentiate this function. What is the differential of ln of x? It is 1 by x. Okay, plus 2 ln of, now this is not an exponential, it is a logarithm function. So logarithm function is, this is ln of fx, where this is fx. So ln of fx is f dash x. What is f dash x? It is x squared. 2x upon the function. This function ln of fx, the function is 1 upon that function, that is mean x squared plus 1. So it is x squared plus 1. So the answer is e to the power ln of x upon x plus 4x upon x squared plus 1. Okay, this is how you find out the differentiation of exponential functions using this rule and the one following this rules. Okay, thank you for watching. That is all for today's lecture. Till we meet in the next lecture, thanks for watching.